Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to create Dropship account on PC. Dropship.io is a popular dropshipping platform that offers an extensive product database with millions of options. To create Dropship.io account, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.dropship.io, then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to official website of Dropship. Now here you can see start free trial option at top right section of the website. Click on start free trial. Then here you will be taken to the sign up page. Now here you can create your account using your Google account or your Apple ID. Or you can manually create your account. To do that, first enter your first name on the given box. Then enter your last name on the given box. After that, enter the email address that you want to use to create your account. With that, enter the password. Make sure you enter a strong password. Then, click on the option of Create Account. With that, here you'll be taken to plans and pricing. Note that Dropship.io is a paid site where you need to pay a specific amount to unlock its features. So, select the plans and pricing that you want to go with. After selecting that, click on Try Free for 7 days. With that, now here you need to enter your contact information. After contacting information is entered, now here you need to enter your billing address. After entering your billing address, then click on Next Step. With that, here you need to enter your card information. First, enter your name on credit card, then enter your card number, then enter your expiration date, then enter your CVC. On the right side here you can see the summary. Once view through summary, and with that click on the option of start free trial. After that, you will get 7 days free trial. After your 7 days free trial is finished, you will be charged according to the price planning that you have used. This is how we can create Dropship.io account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.